Alright, we're looking at some AUSDOM ANC7 active noise canceling headphones here. So it actually came in this package inside of the Amazon box, but I went ahead and I cut that open just, I don't know, for fun, right? And this is going to be the unboxing, of course. I'm not going to be able to quite test it on this video. However, I will be able to write up a review after I've had a chance to. And I was offered this product for free in exchange for the review, so I do want to be upfront for that. As you can see, the case is very well protected. You shake it around, there's really not much of anything moving there. And this isn't something that's easily going to open up. I mean, this is something you could easily gift. Right, so there's the box, nothing else in it. And inside it's wrapped up again. And looks like we've got a nice carrying case. It's got kind of a like a carbon fiber looking design, but it is just some kind of like a vinyl or faux leather. And there's our first look. So inside we've got our instructions, which nobody ever reads. We've got our charging cable. It's going to be the micro charger. We've got a 3.5 millimeter audio cable. And then a warranty card for it too as well. Inside we've actually got the headphones. So here's what they look like. Padded ear rests. These are going to be the over the ear, or on the ear, I guess is how you would refer to it. It is adjustable, both sides. Slides open and close fairly easily. This is padded on top, but an even larger pad on the bottom. And then as you're looking at the headphones here, there is an indicator for which one is right and which one is left. There's an on-off switch, and there's your charger right there, your charging spot. Here's where your 3.5 millimeter plug is going to go, and then you've got your Bluetooth controls right here. So because this is a Bluetooth headset, so you've got your volume up, volume down, and your play pause power. Awesome. Seeing if there's anything else on here I need to look at. They feel pretty solid. I'm interested in really giving the noise canceling a try. It isn't something that I've ever been able to use before, but I do have multiple headsets that do cover the ear like this, so I want to be able to compare the active noise canceling to just the other standard ear cover pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and put them on real quick just to see comfort level. Wow, very comfortable. Okay, I mean, they fit over the ear perfect, and they're very soft, very nice, and they do go ahead and they cut out some of the sound just by the fact that they cover your ear. So turning it on, I think that's all you have to do for the active noise canceling. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Yeah, so like normally whenever you put headphones, oh, that is crazy. Normally whenever you put headphones on and you talk, you still hear your own voice in your head. When you put these things on and turn this on, like your voice suddenly turns into a whisper. That was awesome. So okay, anyways, that was just a little bit of fun stuff right there, just throwing it on. I was not expecting it to work like that out of the box. But I'm going to put this thing through some rigorous testing, and you know, these are awesome. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna play around with it a little bit more, make sure that it lasts, and you know, it isn't something that just like breaks down right away. But like I said, I mean, this is, you know, a nice feel of the product. I mean, this is silicone. you know, these pads are great, and I'm amazed at how much of a difference that made. So that's awesome. I want to play with this right away. So I'm going to end the video. Any questions, comments, make sure to leave them, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. And you know, hopefully I'll have a decent review right up for you guys whenever I'm ready. All right, thanks.